tayo sa cave at dami yung grass, baka mo yung spider doon, yung lagi, sabayan mo. Sabayan mo! Yan lagi, yan. Lagi lang, lagi. Just like and subscribe sa button and make sure. Talaga, button, Blanca. Blanca yung sabihin mo, may broken na wood. At padami footsteps. Ayun pa, footsteps ng goat yan. Yan pa, dami puno. Pwede ko yung sirain yan? Hindi ko pwede. Bakit sirain siya? Bakit ayaw nila maglaglag yung puno? Because sa Minecraft 3D lang yan. Yun sa real life ni Kat yung 3. Lalaglag sila. Is that it? Yun talaga yung masen. Yung masen day, yun talaga. Masen day, it's the food day. Kain tayo. Yung kain natin ay yan. Sarap. Meron pa cookie yan. Yan. What taste of this? Oh, init. Yummy, it's like chocolate. It's like a cake. Yan, parang pandesal. At pa, ew! I'm feeling dizzy. Yan mushroom soup ay feeling dizzy. And yun nasa prison ka na ng piglen, zombie piglen, or ng goats. Yan, flying jellyfish. Yes, it's the gods, flying jellyfish. Ayun, nag-swim tayo. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Tingnan mo, oh. I'm so peace. Gaya sa swimming pool natin. Yan sa Castle Swimming. Castle Swimming. Oh, diba? Ay, nandito tayo. Yan talaga. Go up na ako. So, go up na ako. Yan, galing! Please help me! Someone help me! I'm drowning! Someone help me! Build! Yan talaga yung band. Sasabihan natin. Pag creative, pa-fly. Pag survival, dig. Yan talaga natin. Yan talaga. Thank you, we're in the finish line. Just live a life. Thank you.